Here at Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Land Rover Defender XS Edition, featuring the very stylish Santorini Black. Comes equipped with a stylish 20-inch diamond-turned alloys, and it's a 2-litre petrol hybrid. You've got the side-mounted gear carrier, really adding exterior storage to the vehicle. Huge amount of practicality throughout. No trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams into the rear. You have got that stylish khaki interior, full leather. Certainly does look the part as well. Moving to the front, you have got the Meridian sound system as well as memory function for the front seats. Very well presented dashboard there as well. And this vehicle does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof that had a huge amount of natural lighting. Always nice feature to have on a vehicle, I'm sure you'll agree. Taking the seat inside now, you've got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera, giving you full coverage of the vehicle, allowing you to target certain areas there as well. Ease of access to a huge range of other features with a simple touch. These do include your heated and cooled front seats, perfect for use all year round. And you've also got your electrically deployable tow bar on there as well for all your towing needs. For more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.